Alright, a little something different today. Haven't got webcam on or my microphone, so we're doing this with my mobile phone. It's the Super Loot unboxing for June. Okay, I'll just have a sit back down there. Okay, so let's get this started. There we go. Ooh, I can see yummy things already. Yeah. So let's have a look at this. So we can get it up. There we go. So it looks like it's got some things to do with Captain America there. First of all, some yummy things. Some chocolates. I'll enjoy them. There you are. It's Captain America. Ooh, I know what that is. That is a badge, or as the American calls them, buttons. Some more yummy things. Here we have some Merry Mint sweets. Those with chocolate. Some figure. I'm not quite sure what that's of. I'm sure someone will let me know in the comments. Ooh. Some over the ear earphones, and it appears to be one piece. Okay, let's get rid of that flash. Shouldn't have put my flash on my phone, but whatever. Always come in handy with earphones. Something green. I'm not quite sure what that is. Let's see if I can open this up. Alright. That appears to be some sort of a green fleecy hat, pointy hat. I would have said elf, but it's the wrong time of year. I'm assuming there's a theme going on here. It could be superheroes, or it could even be a green goblin. So I think it might actually be that. Okay. And last but not least, I can tell what that is straight away. That is a brilliant t-shirt. I love me some Wolverine. There we go. Looks almost like it's taken straight from the Blu-ray cover of the new movie that came out recently. Yeah. Okay, so that was a quick unboxing. Not many things in it this time, but I don't care about that. Got a sweet t-shirt. What I'm assuming is a Green Goblin hat. We got some strange action figure. I'll have to open that up and have a look as well. Right, let's do that now. That's strange. You won't stand up. You can't seem to pause. If we can, I'm not sure quite how. We've got a strange little plastic thing, which I thought would have been a stand, but I'm not quite sure how that works. So unless someone's figured it out and puts it online, I'm not quite sure how that's supposed to work. Rather unusual if you ask me, but I'll figure it out. So we got the earphones there, couple of sweets, and there's my little Darth Vader USB from a few months back. Stick that up there, and Captain America badge / button, which I think will be put on my coat to go with my Transformers pin that I've got. There we go. Okay, so this has been June's unboxing for Super Loot. Okay, and there we go. That's all the details there on the box for you. superloot.co.uk. Monthly boxes, and I'll see you next month.